What's up guys, it's Josiah from Fresh Tech. Today we're gonna be going over the Kondor Ultimate Rig. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified of new videos. Hey guys, today we're talking about the Kondor Blue Ultimate Rig for Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 6K and 4K. So this kit is we use in the field to record all the time. We're gonna demonstrate it for you. There's a couple of things on here that aren't included, so we're gonna show you what our rig looks like and then disassemble it. So, here she is. Oh. All right, so we're gonna take off the things that are included here. This is the largest shotgun microphone that we own. Let's whip this bad boy around. This is our tentacle sync on its included quick mount release. This is our Angel Bird 512 gigabyte SSD to go in blue. This is the third-party shoulder mount we purchased. We're gonna leave this on here for now. And this is the Genergy 198 battery V-mount that we purchased for it. The build quality is great, it's light, the finish is nice, and it's sturdy. It's also very visually appealing. We love the colors and the whole scheme that they use here. This system is super modular. Everything comes apart. There's lots of hidden features. Down here, we have a nice little magnetically attached Allen key that I can't get out at the moment because I have fingers that don't like to cooperate with me. This handle comes off, the arms come off, the 15mm rods come out, everything is interchangeable. The battery plate can be mounted in any configuration you want. This is a super modular, super customizable rig, which is one of the reasons we use it here at Fresh Tech. Also included is this nice ball joint and these rosette arms, as well as these handles, which are quickly adjustable with a little notch there. So we're gonna break these parts all down individually and talk about what we use this kit for, our use cases, some different things you can do with it. We're gonna briefly touch over the main features here that are really useful. Obviously you have the cage cheese plate, got 3/8 and 1/4 20s all over it. One of my favorite features is the base plate. It's the 15mm Universal RE side loading base plate. You can kind of slide it in either from the front or the rear. If you have a bunch of stuff kind of in one way or the other, it goes right in on the side. The quick releases, there's 4 of them, which are absolutely fantastic. Just slide on in like that, and there's a little notch here. Holds it in. Absolutely fantastic for our hard drive here. It's great. We can just take that out, put it right into our editing station and bring it right back on. Lights, microphones, as you saw here. And look at that, our microphone is attached. Gonna take this off again real quick. The included cables are a USB-C to USB-C adapter cable, then XLR to mini XLR here, and we also have a 2-pin LEMO for Blackmagic Pocket Cinemas to D-tap to come out of the battery plate. One of my favorite things about the battery plate is there's several power outputs, including a D-tap on it. So the batteries that we use here also have a D-tap, so we can power things like our lights and our wireless off of the battery that's mounted to the camera. So we don't need to have a bunch of external power supplies, and that brings the weight down, makes it that much more user-friendly. The reason we chose to go with this layout for our kit boiled down to we didn't want to use an external monitor. Our Pocket Cinema camera here already had a monitor, and we felt that the added bulk of an additional external monitor created complication and complexity that we just didn't really care for. So we used the shoulder rig here more as a chest rig, so you can kind of see I'm gonna hold this here. You can really look at the screen. You don't need an external monitor. I have to hold it in this up here. We experimented with a few different setups, so this is definitely the one that we found is the most useful and user-friendly and convenient for us in the field. Now, the only issues we have with this cage is the top handle here. The thumb screw seems to do a pretty good job of keeping it secured, but it's really quite a pain for something that's supposed to be so quick and seamless. We just found we aren't the biggest fan of this system. Ultimately, we've chosen the setup we have for this rig for its portability, its feature-rich use, and for field use. We wanted to keep it compact, small, and have as many things as we possibly can when we're out in the field filming B-roll, shooting installs, doing everything that we do with it. Head on over to shop.freshtech.me and use the code FTBLUE at checkout for 5% off this rig in our web store. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at freshtech.me. If you're interested in the equipment that we use to make this video, everything will be linked down in the description.